Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Avinash. In this video, I am going to share with you the secrets to shedding pounds quickly and safely. Whether you want to lose a few pounds or a significant amount of weight, this video is for you. A person looking in the mirror, frowning at their reflection. They then throw out a bag of chips and a soda can. Are you tired of feeling unhappy with your weight? Are you ready to finally make a change and achieve your dream body? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with weight loss every day. But what if I told you that there's a way to lose weight quickly, without sacrificing your health? Transition to montage of people exercising and eating healthy foods. In this video, we are going to explore the ultimate guide to a healthy and effective rapid weight loss diet. Whether you want to lose a few pounds or a significant amount of weight, this diet can help you get there. Segment 1. Understanding the basics of weight loss. 1. Shot of the person from the opening looking at a scale, holding a notebook and pen. The first step in any weight loss journey is understanding the basics of how weight loss works. Your body burns calories to maintain its current weight, and to lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit by burning more calories than you consume. This can be done by eating a balanced diet that's low in calories and high in nutrients, and by engaging in regular exercise. 1. Shot of the person jotting down notes in their notebook. Segment 2. The power of protein. 1. Close-up of a plate of grilled chicken breast, vegetables, and quinoa. 2. One of the most important components of a rapid weight loss diet is protein. 2. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, and it also helps you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. 2. Eating a diet that's high in protein can also boost your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories. 3. Shot of the person adding chicken breast to a salad they're preparing in their kitchen. Segment 3. The importance of fiber. 1. Close-up of a bowl of oatmeal with berries on top. Another important component of a rapid weight loss diet is fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that can't be digested by your body, which means it doesn't contribute to calorie intake. Eating a diet that's high in fiber can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. It can also help improve digestion and promote regular bowel movements. 1. Shot of the person making a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast. Segment 4. Staying hydrated. 1. Close-up of a glass of water with ice and lemon. Staying hydrated is an often overlooked aspect of weight loss, but it's crucial. Drinking enough water can help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. It can also help improve digestion and promote regular bowel movements. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and try to avoid sugary drinks, which can contribute to weight gain. 1. Shot of the person filling a water bottle with water and adding lemon slices. Remember, losing weight quickly doesn't mean sacrificing your health. By following this ultimate guide to a healthy and effective rapid weight loss diet, you can achieve your dream body while still feeling great. Start making small changes today, and you'll be on your way to a healthier and happier you. The person from the opening looking in the mirror again, but this time smiling and looking